This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about tasting spoons, specifically these bamboo tasting spoons. And we have some different style options. We have the carved natural bamboo spoon, which is 4¼ inches in length and 1¼ inch wide. And you can see it features this wonderful shallow basin, and it's got a very nice tapered design to it. So it's got a really modern feel, but it's also very natural and kind of earthy and rustic at the same time. So it's both sleek and also has a warm kind of charming feel to it as well. Then we have the bamboo leaf spoon, which is that shape of kind of that traditional soup spoon. It's got that nice wide bowl with a flat base. And you can see it's got that wonderful pattern on the back from the bamboo leaf. So you get that nice natural spotted feel. And these are just wonderful lightweight spoons that are really great for things like apps, especially a nice little past app service or a little buffet display. And then we have the natural bamboo large spatula. And you can see this one is just a really great spatula shape. It's got this nice wide flat area there with a wonderful handle on it. This one is 5½ inches in length, and it's the large size. So in addition to these 3 style options, the carved one is available in a 3½ and also a 4-inch length, as well as the one we have here. And the spatula is also available in a small size as well, giving you a lot of different size options in addition to the styles. They each have their own unique feel, and they all have that bit of kind of rustic warmth to them from that bamboo and that kind of natural wood grain and the pattern from the bamboo leaf. It all gives it a nice softness, while the designs themselves are kind of sleek and simplistic and a little bit modern. So you have that nice little juxtaposition between those clean lines and then the natural soft feel of the materials that they're made from. The disposable spoons are compostable, and the bamboo that they're made from is a sustainable resource, making these the perfect eco-friendly alternative to plastic tasting spoons. They're great for doing things like presenting mini desserts, tapas, appetizers, doing single bite or tasting menu options. And they're great for things like past apps or even buffet setups. So these are great for restaurants, caterers to use at a variety of different types of events and for different types of foods and menus, but they're also great to use if you're just doing some entertaining at home and looking for a stylish and eco-friendly disposable option.